Looking for the perfect chicken sandwich? Saucy Bird on Pico Boulevard in LA has you covered. Their buff-style Sammy comes with crispy chicken, butter lettuce, tomato, red onion, and house-made blue cheese on a buttery pain de mai bun. And if you're feeling spicy, the Nashville Bird Sammy is packed with hot-dipped crispy chicken, pickles, and mayo for that fiery kick. Made with top-quality free-range chicken, these sandwiches are seriously next level. Craving one yet? Stop by and check them out.
Saucy Bird. I will check them.